Hi there, Chef Jess in the kitchen again, and today we're going to be making a box cake using PANACEG. So, what is PANACEG? So PANACEG is a product that we've developed here at Vegan Gastronomy to replace whole eggs for its functional properties in baking. So today I'm going to show you a super simple recipe of how we can utilize this product to make just about anything. So I know a lot of you guys out there were running busy lives, we don't have time anymore, so we are picking up from the grocery store a box cake, and today I'm using a brownie mix. And this mixture here, traditionally you would use an egg, but today we're using a not egg, our PANACEG product, and we are going to replace 2 eggs for this recipe. So the important functions of eggs in a brownie are things like emulsification, combining our fats and our water components in our recipe, in addition to binding, mouthfeel, adding moisture, setting, and giving us that overall texture that we know when it comes to a brownie. So we encourage you to go to your local grocery store and buy a box cake to use PANACEG to replace. So PANACEG is available on the Vegan Gastronomy website in sample sizes, and we ship all around the world for absolutely nothing. Totally free shipping. So when you get your PANACEG powder in the mail, I know you're going to want to know how to prepare it to replace your eggs. So in the description of this video, you'll find a link of how to replace 1, 2, 3, however many eggs that you need to create your cake at home. So what this recipe says is basically just mix everything together. So I'm going to do just that. So I have my PANACEG or our egg replacer straight in there, some water. It's also calling for some oil. I'm going to give that a bit of a mix. So that's all our wet ingredients, and then I'm going to put in our powder. So once this is all mixed up, I'm just going to pour it in my prepared pan. So you're going to want to smooth this out so it's all level so we get even baking, and then straight in the oven. So if you're new to baking and you want to understand the different functions of eggs have in baking, well, PANACEG's going to do that. It's going to replace the 8 major functions of eggs. And if you're from a country or your religion doesn't use eggs, then welcome to the baking game. So I've just taken my box cake brownie out of the oven, and I've just tested it with a toothpick here. Come out clean, so I know that it's ready. So I know all you guys back at home want to dive in and eat this right away, but it is best if you leave it to cool for a few hours, and then you'll get some nice, beautiful slices. So there you have it. American style brownies, nice and chewy and moist in the center, and we made this in a matter of minutes using a store-bought box cake and our PANACEG product.